So let's start with the most obvious component, and that, of course, is the condenser coil. And on most condensers, or their standard, what I call a standard condenser, that coil wraps about 3/4 the way around the unit, so a large amount of surface space to get hit by hail. But notice on those mini split condensers, we don't see much of the coil. Maybe a little bit on the end, and that's when you can't even see that end, maybe a little bit there, but a lot of it is on the back. And when they install these, many times at least, the back of that is facing the building. So a little bit less likely to get hit by hail, which is good. Of course, if these things are running, it is possible the hail ricochets through the fan and hits the coil that way. So the next component or components that would apply to both types are the fan and the fan grill. And with a standard unit, maybe the motor as well. It's perfect target sitting right up there on top. So those fan grills, they're often lightweight metal. Sometimes they're even plastic on many of the brands. They could sustain damage even in small hail events. The other component that is most likely to be impacted by hail is the entire cabinet itself. But keep in mind, cabinets are most often made of steel, and it does take substantial hail in most cases to damage them. Then we have a few less likely items, the disconnect, the service valves, the line set, much less likely to get damaged by hail. But since they're on the outside, maybe the hail is large enough, maybe you have a lucky hit, it might be possible.